Good morning and have a great Tuesday, everybody. Looks like we'll need the rain gear throughout the day today. We're talking about scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, we saw a couple yesterday, and it was a warm and muggy day, but a pretty average day. A couple of our temperatures were slightly above average. Tri-Cities picked up 21/100ths of an inch of rain, but generally speaking, we just saw a couple of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. So not a lot of coverage of rainfall yesterday, but that does change today and tomorrow. We do have a severe weather risk out over into Middle Tennessee, so something to keep in mind if you have any sort of travel plans back to our west. Here locally, though, we are going to see locally heavy rainfall as this wave of energy starts to swing its way on through. We've already started the morning off with a couple of showers, not a lot of thunderstorm activity, and that's going to be the story, though. We'll see increasing coverage of rainfall throughout the day today as we get into the lunch hour. 3 o'clock, kids heading home from school or camps later on this evening. By 7 o'clock, we'll start to see some of this activity really begin to wind on down. But we could see some locally heavy rainfall throughout the day today. Pockets of, just a trace of rain to even upwards of a half an inch or more in some locations. And that's that locally heavy rainfall I was talking about. Now, as we look at temperatures throughout the day today, it's definitely going to be another warm and muggy day. Temps do climb back into the upper 70s to pockets of low and mid 80s. You add the humidity that's been really creeping up around the area, and that's going to make it feel even just a little bit hotter. Into the evening hours, as the showers start to come on down and wind down through the evening hours, we'll drop down to about 73 degrees by 10 o'clock here tonight. So it is going to be a mild and muggy evening with, again, showers decreasing through the evening hours. Overnight tonight, we're not going to see a ton of activity, but can't rule out a few spotty showers as we get started on our Wednesday morning. Okay, so that just gets the day started. But we have another little potent system swinging its way on through that could produce some stronger thunderstorms on Wednesday, although no major severe weather risk has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center. It's going to be nice and mild, though, to get our Wednesday morning started. And through the day on Wednesday, we'll climb back to the low 80s, low to mid 80s for the most part. So we're going to keep those temperatures on the pretty average side, but above average when it comes to rainfall. So through the day on Wednesday, we'll see some scattered showers throughout the morning hours, but we have another little wave in the atmosphere that's going to dive in from the north and northwest as we get into the second part of the day. And those are the storms we'll have to watch closely, not necessarily for organized severe threat, but damaging wind and the possibility of some hail, although our hail threat is on the lower side. It's really going to produce some locally heavy rainfall. Our hail threat's on the lower side due to the fact that we have our freezing levels way up in the atmosphere, and that's typical this time of the year. By Wednesday evening, though, a lot of us will pick up anywhere from, say, a quarter of an inch to maybe even over an inch of rain, and that could lead to the possibility of some localized flooding and flash flooding. And the Weather Prediction Center has put us under a level 1 risk for the potential for some localized flooding. So something to kind of keep in mind here over the next couple of days. Elevated rain chances today and tomorrow. Rain chances fade away as we round out the week and head into the weekend. Little uncertainty is how next week's going to play out, but it does look like Monday, Tuesday timeframe, we'll see a few more showers and thunderstorms. So all the way through Saturday, and your 7-day rainfall stretch will pick up about an inch of rain or less. Again, isolated higher amounts can't be ruled out with some of these thunderstorms. But as I mentioned, the dew points are going to stay on the high side. So you felt the mugginess yesterday. Felt like summertime. Felt like June, that's for sure. But we're going to get a break in the humidity as we get into the upcoming weekend. As this cold front swings on through, that helps to dry our air out. And temperatures will come on down to at or just slightly below average as we round out the week and get into the weekend as well. Low temperatures, super comfortable, especially Saturday morning and Sunday morning. We'll be back down into the upper 50s with that lower humidity. It's going to feel nice and refreshing. So as the storms do fire up over the next couple of days, and again, some isolated strong thunderstorms, always have a way to receive weather information this time of the year. But download the East Tennessee Weather app and check out the latest interactive radar. It gives you current, past, and future radar of 2 hours. We sure hope you have a great day.